In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Webflow. By the end, your brand typefaces will be uploaded and ready to use across your project with the right formats for solid browser support. Start by signing in to Webflow and heading to your dashboard. If you work in multiple workspaces, make sure you're looking at the correct one. Open all sites. If you need to, then select the site you want to update. From the site's settings, navigate to the Fonts tab. This is where Webflow manages both hosted services and your own uploaded files. You'll see an option labeled Upload Custom Font Files. Click that to open your file picker. Before you choose files, a quick note on formats. For maximum browser support, prepare the same font family in TTF, OTF, EOT, and WOFF. If you also have WOFF too, that's even better for performance. But stick to the formats you have on hand. Select the files for your font family, including each weight and style you plan to use, like regular, medium, bold, and italic. Keeping the file names clear and consistent will help you identify them later. Once you've selected everything, confirm by clicking Upload. Webflow will process the files and add the family to your site's font list. If you see a message reminding you to add custom fonts for maximum browser support with TTF, OTF, EOT, and WOFF, that's just guidance to ensure broad compatibility. You can always return to this panel and upload additional formats or styles later. After the upload completes, you'll see your font family listed with its available weights and variants. This means it's now available when styling text in the designer. If a particular weight didn't appear, double-check that you uploaded the correct file for that style and try again. For best results, upload all the styles you plan to use so Webflow can match headings, paragraphs, and emphasis correctly. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure you have the proper license to use and host the font files on your site. Keep your font files optimized. WOFF and WOFF2 are typically smaller and load faster. If you ever replace a font file, clear your site's cache or do a hard refresh to see changes immediately in the preview. And if something doesn't look right on a specific browser, verify that you included at least one of the formats that browser supports. That's it. Your custom fonts are now added to your